Today we're going to take a look at my top 3 low market cap gems. Welcome to the APY Guy channel, where I try to bring you the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips and low market cap gems that could have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like on this video. I'd greatly appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. I think it's about time to do an update on the top 3 low market cap gems. If you agree with any of these, make sure you leave it in the comments. And if you disagree and there's a project that you like better, leave that in the comments as well. So let's get right into it. Okay, what are my stipulations for a low market cap gem? Well, there are 3 things. The first thing is that it has to be under a $50 million market cap. The second thing is it has to have some way of making passive income, whether that be through staking or farming, some way or another to make passive income. And the third is that it has to be able to do at least a 25x in a bull market. So those are the 3 stipulations that I have. And just to let you know, one of the projects is brand new to this channel. I have not covered it previously because there was no type of staking, and pretty soon this project will have staking. So let's dive right in. Okay, the project that's cracked my top 3 that I have not covered on this channel is Trias Lab. I really think this project will do very well in the next bull market. I hope I'm saying that right. I think it's Trias. It has to be. It can't be Trias. It's got to be Trias. A couple of things. This token is under a $30 million market cap. It's a 28.461. Even fully diluted, it's $29.11 million total market cap. The circulating supply is almost equal to the total supply. So it almost has all of its tokens in circulation, which is huge. And there are only 10 million Trias tokens that can ever be in circulation. So currently it's at a $29.11 million market cap, and it has less than half of the tokens of Bitcoin that can possibly ever be in circulation. And the current price is $2.91. Bullish, very bullish tokenomics. Okay, what is Trias? Trias is a trustworthy and reliable, intelligent, autonomous system. I did a little bit of an overview on it. I'm going to do a bigger overview on this project in a video that's just going to be about Trias. Right now, I'm just kind of introducing it on this channel. I did a small little article here I made, kind of breaking it down into easy terms. Okay, here's my half-assed Trias overview. Trias is a decentralized network that aims to build trust and reliability in blockchain systems. The unique model with 3 types of nodes. I'm going to go into more detail in another video. I don't want to cover too much on this one. I just want to kind of put this out there because this is one of the projects I'm super bullish on. I love the tokenomics and I love what they're doing. The idea is great. The goal is to create a flexible blockchain that can scale, is interoperable, and is easy to use for real-world applications. The team is fantastic as well. Trias was founded by Dr. Anbang Ruan, who has a strong academic background. I think he went to Oxford, and he's got like a doctorate in computer security and trusted computers, which is fantastic. The team combines academics from top universities with engineers from major tech companies. Overall, Trias wants to solve trust issues holding back blockchain adoption by making decentralized networks more trusted, scalable, and usable. All things that are needed. The Trias token powers the ecosystem and is used for paying fees and rewards. So in simple terms, I put down here, Trias is working to make blockchains more trustworthy, reliable, and ready for large-scale adoption. Its unique model and experienced team give it potential to succeed. Here's the quick overview. I might throw this in the description of the video just so you can kind of go over it if you want to take a look. Uh, I just think this will do really well in the next bull market, which is, coming up in the next year or so. If we do have a bull run, and just the tokenomics, I can't get over the 10 million tokens, and they're almost all in circulating supply. Okay, if we take a look at their Twitter account or X account or whatever you want to call it, this is what put me over the edge. If we go down here to this roadmap, here we go. Trias in Q3, what to look forward to. Take a look. What to look forward to. Exchange listings, it's showing. Trias circulating supply nearing 100%. By October, all 10 million Trias tokens will be in circulation. Super bullish. Then this is what did it. You can soon stake your Trias to earn a governance token, giving you decision making votes in regards to triathlon and eventually each of the eco projects, it says. And then also there's a ambassador program. We're getting ready to launch an ambassador program where participants will be offered attractive rewards for becoming advocates, promoters of the Trias ecosystem. I'd love to be part of that. So this is it, the staking program that's going to go into effect in Q3. I am personally accumulating a few Trias tokens. Number 2 is Realio and the Rio token. I am super bullish on this project long term. In the next bull market, I think it'll do very well. If we look at the pricing right now, it's at 19.6 cents, which is tiny. If we look at coin market cap, I think we get a better idea of the tokenomics. The max supply is 75 million. The current fully diluted market cap is 15.7 million, which is absolutely tiny. Realio has the narrative of real world assets, RWAs as they call them, the blockchain-based platform that aims to tokenize real world assets, such as real estate. By tokenizing these assets, the Realio network makes them more liquid and accessible to a wider range of investors. I think it'll be a huge narrative in the next bull market, enhanced liquidity, fractional ownership possibilities, global reach, and then it's built on a secure blockchain, which is good. And obviously there's transparency because it's built on and everything is recorded on the blockchain. These are some of the reasons why I really like Rio and Realio Network. The Rio token, if you don't know how to stake it and get rewards and passive income, watch the video I will link in the description of this video where you can hold it in your Para wallet. So number 2 is definitely Realio and the Rio token as my number 2 low market cap gem. If you've watched this channel before, number 1 will not be a surprise to you. If you're new to this channel, it might be a new project for you. Change Finance is my number 1 low cap gem. They just keep making new partnerships. It's too good. This is going to do very well in the next bull market. Some are calling it the decentralized Binance, which I don't think they're wrong. They just keep making partnerships. They're doing really well. The market cap is way too low at 29.3 million. Great tokenomics with a burning mechanism where they buy back and burn from the profits. The current circulating supply is 411.1 million, and they've already burned almost 100 million tokens. Super active Twitter. They seem to have a new partnership almost every day, it seems like. These are super, bullish partnerships. These aren't just like little ones. The Meter Governance is recent. ZK Sync is another recent partner. They go on and on and on if you just scroll through their Twitter feed. I think they have currently 40 networks. If I'm wrong, please leave in the comments. And there is staking liquidity pools, which I am in multiple. I will leave instructions with videos in the description of this video. Change Finance is definitely my number one low cap gem. People that are calling it the decentralized Binance are not far from the truth. If there is a low cap gem that I'm missing or you disagree with any of my three choices, please leave those in the comments. Criticism is definitely needed to get better at what you do, so please criticize my picks and leave me better ones if you think there are better ones. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.